Hello everybody, this is Sasha, Monique Talks. Hello my friends. I am doing an empties video, so I'm going to get right into it. I have the Dow Silk and Magnolia Moisturizing Body Wash. This is okay, it's pretty good. It's nice and rich. That's for sure. It's nice and rich. I had this a long time. I forgot I had it. I found it and I used it in my diffuser. This is the Luminous Apple Cinnamon Liquid Potpourri. So when I brought this, it was $1. I had this some years, maybe 3 or 4 years, and I just found it. And it was okay. It worked well in the diffuser. I don't know if I can find this again, but if I do, I will buy this again. I will buy it again. I have Vaseline. Y'all know this stuff is old. Been on the market for a very long time. And with these dry hands from this eczema, at least it will moisturize some. Okay. And this is the cocoa butter one. Very good. I have the Johnson's Blossoms. It's the baby soap. Smells pretty good. It was $1 at my local dollar store. We'll buy it again. You know, sometimes you just want something real gentle on that skin. Okay, I have the Need envelopes, 40 in the pack. They're the security ones. And these are very good. I got these from Dollar Tree. Sometimes I go to Dollar Tree and they don't have these. They had a regular kind. I always like to get the security ones. That way people can't see what you put in your mail. Put in your letters. You can't read it. This is one of my favorites here. The Spa Soap Liquid Antibacterial Hand Soap Original Gold. I like this because it's just like the Dow. Now they had it in the bigger bottles. They still have it sometimes, they're big like that, for $1.25. And that's a good buy. So I think I got one left of this, but this is definitely one of my favorites. I have the Peppermint Sage dish soap with plant-derived ingredients. Got this from Dollar Tree. It's a smaller container. I liked it, but of course it doesn't last that long, so I will buy it again, but I'm still going to concentrate on the bigger ones. I like a bigger bottle, but it's good, y'all. I got the big roll, toilet paper. And so I have some more of these. I have another one here too. Okay. The best thing about this is a big roll, but you're getting 6 for $10, and that's a good buy. And it lasted me pretty good. I will definitely go back to Walgreens to get it. I have these flecks here. Heroes Scent Stripes Lavender with Odor Neutralizer, 4 gallons. I believe I got this either from my local dollar store or I got it from Dollar Tree. They're too thin, y'all. I didn't even like this. I did not like it. I will not be buying it again. Because these are like for your trash can in your bathroom and stuff like that. But it's just too thin. You don't want to take bags out and they're busting open. So this is a fail for me, y'all. A fail. I have the LA's Totally Awesome Advanced Grease Cutting Formula Ultra Concentrated Dish Liquid Detergent. Now, you get a nice size bottle, but I notice it's more watered down. And I've been noticing it since the pandemic that they're watering it down more and more. So I may not get this again for a while. It depends. If I'm in area of Dollar Tree and I need some dish detergent or something like that, I may just grab it up because that's what I need at the time. But no, they got to do better than this. They got to do better. You know, because you raise your prices and you're not getting a better product. Now, this one I'm getting ready to show you, I can easily say is one of my favorites, and it's this one. The Sapolio Ultra ×3. And this one is in the neutral, so it doesn't have a smell to it. It works very well. They have one that comes in the pink, some other colors too. I think a lavender one too. You never see this in a real big bottle, y'all. But this detergent is excellent. I like it because it's more gentle on my hands and it works well. And it's usually like 99 cents. Once in a while it's like 79. It depends on where you get it from. This is a winner. If you see it, pick some up. I have the Sensitive toothpaste. I got this from Dollar Tree. And it's decent. It's real strong now. It's sensitive. It's supposed to be sensitive for your teeth, but it's strong. Flavor is strong. But that's good because you don't have to use mouthwashes if you don't want to. You can just use this. Okay. If you see it, get it. Another one of my favorites, Ultra Bright. It's been around for a long time. It's very strong. It works. It works well for me, so I keep buying it. Okay. From Dollar Tree. I have the Roma laundry detergent in a little small package here. And it's good. It's not as good as Foca. I keep telling y'all that. And a lot of y'all know it. But I do use it. Sometimes I put a little dish detergent in there and it makes it even better. So it's usually for a real good price. So that's why I keep buying it, because I use it for other things other than washing clothes too. I have the Expressive Scent Tea Lights candles. I like these for my wax warmers. I buy this, it lasts me pretty good. They have 50 tea lights in here. I believe I got this from CVS or either my local dollar store, which is Value Zone. I may have gotten this from Value Zone. And it was like $2.99 to $3.99, so it was a wonderful price. If you see it, get it. Okay? I got, oh, okay, this is the original gold liquid antibacterial hand soap in the bigger container. I forgot what store I got this from now. Because my local dollar store sell this sometimes too. But I may have gotten it from Dollar Tree. I love this. I love the smell of it and everything. Get it, y'all. It's really good. And it's been at Dollar Tree for a long time, so I'm sure y'all tried it. Another of the sensitive toothpaste I got from Dollar Tree. Got a lot of stuff here, y'all, right? Another Ultra Bright. I forgot I got another Ultra Bright here. I have the Delta Home Hand Soap Toasted Coconut. It has a nice coconut scent. And it was good. They're putting a lot of stuff in smaller packaging. But it lathered well, so I like it. I have White Citrus Fine Fragrance Mist Bath and Body Works. I got this on sale, I guess about 3 or 4 months ago. And I didn't think I was gonna like it, and I got it, y'all. Let me see if there's a little more in here. I really like that smell a lot. Just a tiny bit is coming out. So since it was on sale, it was $3 and something. Usually it's like, I think like $13, $14. I didn't want to I don't think I would get it for that price, but it's good. I have the Foca in the liquid laundry detergent for all machines. Small bottle, very concentrated, and it's so good. Definitely will buy it. I've been buying it for years and I love it. And the fragrance is really nice. You know, the regular Foca doesn't have a strong fragrance, but this one has a strong fragrance. Okay. You know, sometimes I like unscented products. Sometimes I like it real strong. Sometimes I don't like it strong. But one thing about the strong one, you don't have to put all those laundry beads and stuff in there. Even if you don't want to put the fabric softener, you're still good. So I love that stuff. Okay. And the last thing I got, I have the Clorox Scented Splashless No Splash Formula Bleach. It whitens, brightens, and deodorizes. Got this from my local dollar store. It didn't work that well. I don't know whether this bottle was real old or what the problem was, but it didn't work that well. Sometimes that's why I just stick to the old stuff, the stuff that's splashing all over. Because you buy stuff, pay good money for it, because you know bleach is like $7, $8, $9 now. And that's too much for your stuff not to be working. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed these empties. Okay. There will be more coming. So let me go and put all this stuff. I put it in the bag in the garbage. Okay. All right. I'm taking out the trash. I will talk to you guys soon.